What's up guys, Sammy here, and today I'm going to be giving you a first look and full review of an iPad app called Fantastical 2, a surprisingly smart calendar app. When you launch the app, you'll be greeted by a tutorial. The basics allow you to switch views from day ticker, split view, and full screen. You'll also be notified to enable notifications and allow contacts if you wish to be specific with your events. So straight off the bat, you'll notice its clean yet easy to use interface. The current day is indicated by a blue circle at the top. In split view, you'll also notice the day is selected as blue. This just makes it easy to keep track of where you are in your calendar. In the split view, you have your events view. This is great because you can set it to display just for that particular day or all events for all of your calendars. You can also just keep scrolling to see what's going on later on in the week, month, etc. Calendars also have the option of being color-coded, which makes finding events very organized. You can also use the search option at the top of the app to search for a particular event with keywords, locations, people you've invited, or everything in between. Scrolling through your calendar is very simple and highly efficient. I have yet to experience any hiccups with the app. Just like iCal, you have the option of tapping on an event and moving that event to a different time slot. So let's talk about where this app really gets smart. Tapping the plus icon on the top right corner will give you the option of creating an event. This opens up your on-screen keyboard. Here you'll have various options of how you can create an event. For example, lunch with Tim and Sophie at Subway on Tuesday at 1:30 p.m. As you type the words, you'll notice that the app is working its magic to grab just the important details for that event. No messing around, this makes creating events not only easy, but fun to do. You also have the option of using iOS's Dictation feature, so you can just speak the words. For example, meeting with Eric on 26th of November at 10 a.m. You can also add additional alerts directly as you're typing or using dictation such as an alert me one day before. Adjusting events is simple, but if you want to have a few more options to make sure it's just right, here you can put in an address for directions when alerted for that event, change it to an all-day event, set up repeated events and when a repeated event might end, choose to invite people through your contacts list, set up further alerts, change the calendar of the event, show as busy or free, and add a URL or notes to your event. The app also features a simple reminders list. Tapping on the tick icon presents this screen. Here you can create tasks and check them once you've completed them. To show previously completed reminders, just tap on Show Completed. Diving a little deeper into the settings, we can see here we have quite a few options. Starting with calendars, as this uses iCloud, you can create as many calendars as you wish. You can also choose from one of the default colors to set as your new calendar. Something I would like to see here is a color wheel option rather than just the default colors. Next up, we can see that we have the option to change the app icon badge. This is great if you want to show remaining events for that day, reminders, the current day, current calendar week, and new event invitations. Included is support for the Notification Center, and under the Today widget section in the settings menu, you have the option to display your calendar, events, and reminders. The app also goes further with improvements such as highlighting weekends, a light theme if you prefer that, changing the default alert settings, organizing by list view, setting which day to start your week on, displaying calendar weeks on all calendar views, showing empty days, displaying your day ticker view just to display only the selected day or all events for that month, etc. Showing event map location data, time zone support, and finally, what type of notifications you would like to enable. There is truly a lot to this app, yet even though it may seem complicated to some, it's incredibly easy to use and really takes the chore out of setting up your schedule. So should you buy this app? I would absolutely say yes if you are someone who likes to keep track of their schedule, wants an easy and effortless experience, and who's going to be able to take full advantage of its features. From launching the app to creating an event, I cannot recommend this app enough to friends and family. However, if you're someone who casually uses their calendar app, then the default calendar isn't that bad either. This app just allows for greater control and ease of use, but there are many free alternatives out there that are great too. So that's going to be it for my review of Fantastical 2 for iPad. I would like to note here that there is two versions available for Fantastical 2. There is the iPad version and there is the iPhone version, each at their own respective price. I would like to have, however, seen a universal app for this. But that's going to wrap it up for this video. I would also like to thank the developer Flexbit for sending me a copy of this app for review purposes. But yeah, that's going to be it for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button. I really do appreciate it. Share and subscribe for more quality videos. And that's going to be it, guys. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.